Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the drawing on the love ceremony of 2009 Boys Young World Championship. The championship will be in Italy from the 28th August to the 6th September 2009. Signori e signori, benvenuti alla cerimonia di sorteggio dei campionati del mondo tra juniores maschili 2009 5B. Il campionato sarà in Italia dal 28 agosto al 6 settembre.
European team and the second team for the first row on the pool A, B, C and D.
Ora procederemo al sorteggio delle altre 8 squadre. Il primo sorteggio riguarda le 3 squadre europee e la squadra della Norseca che verranno inserite nella prima fila.
Thank you. We put Poland. Spain. Serbia. And Puerto Rico. We'll put the letters A, B, C and D in the other cup. A, B, C, and D. We made the first drag. Spain, pool C. We made the second. Serbia, pool D. And for Poland, pool D. In this case, the third position is clear. Pool A, Puerto Rico. Pool B, Serbia. Pool C, Spain. And Pool D, Polonia. Immediately, we'll proceed to the next draw for the 4th round. The team involved in this is Egypt, Argelia. India. And Japan. I proceed the same to put the letter A, B, C, D in the other cup. A, B, C, and D. Excuse, I check. Please move. Make the first. Egypt, please show me. Egypt, pool A. The second. Algeria, pool C. India, pool D. India, pool D. And the last, Japan, pool B. Now the pool A.
Evidentemente in internet sul sito del campionato del mondo pre juniores maschile, quindi questo è quello che tutto il mondo vede in questo momento, che attualmente è il calendario modificato del campionato del mondo.
Ladies and gentlemen, this completes the drum and you see the board. We have determined the daily match order in the preliminary round of the 2009 Boys Youth World Championship. Thank you for your keen attention, and on behalf of the IFBB President, Mr. Jason Wade, the IFBB wish good luck to all of the participants team and also to the organizer, the Italian Volleyball Federation, for their preparation of the 2009 Boys Youth World Championship. Thank you.